Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. So my name is Asif, your mathematics teacher. Now students, this is class 7, chapter number 7, linear equations in one variable, and we will start for solving a couple of questions of test paper 7. So friends, this is the test paper means, and you can examine in solving the questions of this, what you learned, what you have learned. Okay, now see the first questions is here. Have a look. Evaluate x cube plus y raised to the power q. This could be written as x raised to power 3 or x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay, minus 3xyz. When x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 3. Okay, evaluate means we have to find the value of this expression. After putting the values, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 3. Okay friend, now see, first of all write this expression as it is: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x y z. Now put the values of x, y and z, okay, instead of x, y and z. Now have a look friends. Now what about x is equal to minus 2? So where there is x, there is minus 2, and over power is 3, exponent is 3, plus where there is y, there is y is equal to minus 1. Instead of y, we can put the value of y as minus 1 and 3, exponent is 3, plus now z is equal to z is equal to plus 3. Write down instead of z as 3. Here is the power 3 is 3, exponent is 3, minus this is 3. Here is the multiply sign is hidden. X, what about x is minus 2, multiply by y is minus 1. Once again multiply by z is 3. Now minus, to make understand friends, minus 2 raised to the power 3 means 3 times minus 2. Now have a look friends, minus into minus plus and plus into minus. So this is 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, minus 8. I remember friends, 3 is odd number. Suppose there is a minus, any numbers having the minus sign and over the power as odd numbers gives us the negative value. Always remember, gives us the negative value. And whatever the exponent is over there means we have to multiply this number as 2 times, 3 times and 4 times depending on your exponent. So here the exponent is 3 means minus 2 could be multiplied 3 times. This is why 3 times means exponent is 3. Similarly, we can solve a minus 1 raised to the power 3. This is odd numbers. Here is the minus, gives us the negative value. Remember, where there is odd power of the negative number gives us the negative value. And now multiply this 3 times. 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1. So this is 1 multiply 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 ja 1, 1, 1 ja 1. This is minus 1. Okay. Now similarly 3 raised to the power 3. There is no minus sign, no problem at all, because always plus sign gives. Okay, this is plus 3 times. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 times. This is 27. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. I hope you will clear. Now this gives us minus 8 is here. Here is the plus, minus 1 is here, close bracket friends. Remember, close bracket. Here the plus, this is 27 is here, minus. Now have a look friend, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus. Yes, minus, remember. Or you can either see minus into minus into minus, 3 times of minus, and number of minus sign is 3. This is odd number, always gives us negative value. This is why it is written negative. Now multiply their actual values. 3 multiplied by 2, 6, and 6 1 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18. Okay. Now friends, see, this is minus 8 plus into minus, minus 1 plus 27 minus 18. Now all these numbers are the minus. Add all the numbers, put the negative sign, here the negative sign. This is 9, this is also 27 minus, this is plus 27 is here already. Now minus 27 plus 20 gives us 0. Same value in opposite sign will get cancelled, means 0. I hope you will get this is answer. Now friends, see next question number 2. Write the coefficient of x in each of the following. Here is the question number 3rd. Here is the question number 3rd. Okay, first, second and third. Have a look friends. we have to find the coefficient of x. Where is x? Here is x. Mean except x, write all the terms. Except x, we have to write all the terms. This is your answer, friends. Remember, if you are finding the coefficient of any variable or any things except the same things, we can write all the terms beside the whatever you find the x coefficient of the x. Okay, now here the x is here. Except x, we can write all the terms 2y square z. This is the coefficient of x. Here is the x is here because we are going to find the coefficient of x. Means except x, we can write all the terms. Okay, हिंदी में इस तरह से कह सकते हैं कि अगर किसी का भी कोफिशिएंट x की फाइंड करनी है तो x को छोड़कर बाकी जितने भी टर्म्स हैं उन सबको लिख दिए. दिस इज द कोफिशिएंट. यानी x के बगल में x का प्रोडक्ट कौन है वो फाइंड करना है. ये सब सारे x के तो प्रोडक्ट है. इसको आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं 2y स्क्वायर z इंटू एक्स. सब सारे क्या x के तो प्रोडक्ट है ना, इन सबको इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. इसे भी आप इस तरह से लिखते हैं -5y और इंटू एक्स. तो x के जितने भी प्रोडक्ट हैं एक्सेप्ट x की छोड़कर बाकी जितने भी टर्म्स है प्रोडक्ट एज x, उस सबको लिखेंगे. वो क्या होगा? कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x कहलाएगा. आई होप यू विल क्लियर. नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. This is conceptual question. This is depending on the statement. If you understand the statement of the questions, then you can easy solve. Now we will give the a very simple example. Okay, consisting of this question. Very simple example. You can easy handle the question. Now see friends. First question number 4 says how much less is x square minus 2xy plus 3y square than 2x square minus 3y square plus xy. ओके, इस क्वेश्चन अगर हिंदी में से ट्रांसलेट करें तो इस तरह से कह सकते हैं 2x का स्क्वायर माइनस 3y स्क्वायर प्लस xy. ओके, x का स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy प्लस 3y स्क्वायर कितना कम है इससे. मीन्स x का स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy प्लस 3y स्क्वायर कितना कम है. हाउ मच, कितना कम है x का स्क्वायर माइनस 3y स्क्वायर प्लस xy से. Similarly, let us figure out with the help of examples. Now here is the example one question we have taken. How much less, same question, how much less is, instead of this expression we can take as 9 or instead of this expression we can take as 15. How much less is 9 than 15. क्वेश्चन कह रहा है 9 जो है वो 15 से कितना कम है. 9 जो 15 से कितना कम है. तो आपका आंसर वेरी सिंपल होगा सर 6. यस, कितना कम है 6. तो 6 कहां से आया? व्हाट इज द क्लू टू फाइंड आउट द 6? यस, 15 माइनस 6 यानी बड़ा में से छोटा घटाएंगे, छोटा को एलिमिनेट करेंगे बड़े में से. तो 15 माइनस 6 इसका मतलब है यहाँ पे बड़े एक्सप्रेशन ये हमारा है. दिस इज द बिग एक्सप्रेशन. आफ्टर देन दिस इज द बिग एक्सप्रेशन. मीन्स वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस एक्सप्रेशन फ्रॉम दिस. ओके, दिस इज वाई फर्स्ट वी हैव राइट दिस एक्सप्रेशन माइनस दिस small. And remember friends, I always write this expression inside the bracket because this is the 3 terms. Okay, here the minus, then close bracket. Okay, now this is as it is 2x square minus 3y square plus xy. Now minus multiply by plus x square plus into minus x square minus into minus plus 2x xy minus into plus minus 3y square. Now here is the x square term, here is the x square term. 2x square minus x square. So 2x square minus x square becomes 1x square, only x square. Here is the minus 3y square, here is the minus 3y square. Both the sign negative. Now add their values, 3 or 3 6. So minus 6y square. Okay, here is the xy plus xy, here is the plus 2xy plus 2xy plus 1xy plus 3xy. This is your final answer. Means we can say how much less is x square minus 6xy square plus 3xy is less. x का स्क्वायर 2xy स्क्वायर प्लस 3y स्क्वायर कितना लेस है? इतना लेस है इससे. ओके, आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नाउ फ्रेंड्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 says here this minus 0.5x plus x by 3 is equal to 0.25x plus 7. Now this is here the x term, here is the also x term. So bring x term to the left hand side. Here is the minus 5 as it is, right as it is. Now brings plus 0.25x which was right to bring here left side with the negative sign is equal to plus 7 is as it is. Now here friends, if you remove this decimal and after decimal how many digits? 5. We do not include x with the 5. This is out of the 5. Friends, remember, x is not the member of this decimal places. Okay, and here is x is not the member of decimal place. This is out of this 2 5. Okay, now after decimal how many digit? 1. So here the remove and write the 1 0. Remove how many digits here? 2. Write 2 times 0. So this could be written as 5 by 10 x plus x by 3 minus 25 by 100. Friends, remember x is here is equal to 7. Now friends, have a look. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Get cancelled. 25 1 ja 25 and 25 4 ja 100. So here friends, 1 by 2, this is x plus x by 3 minus this is x by 4. Now friends, it's very simple. It's become very simple. You can easily solve. Now friends, how? First take the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Okay, whatever the LCM, divide this LCM by 2, multiply the quotient with x, then write the plus, then divide the LCM by this 3, multiply the quotient with x, then write the minus, and we can proceed as for this. After cross multiplication, we can calculate the value of x. I hope you will clear. Okay, because we have solved this type of questions before, because now I have already made this question very easier. Okay, now friends, see question number 10. Renu's father is, here the Renu's father is twice as old as Renu. After 12 years, he will be just twice his daughter. Now, what do you mean by he? Now, friend, he is used for father. Remember, because he is pronoun always used for man. Okay, he is used for father, and this daughter is used for Renu. Because if we remember this sentence, the first, then you will come to know this Renu is the daughter of father. Okay, now see friends, after 12 years he will be just twice his daughter. Okay, now find their present age. Find their present ages means we have to find the ages of two persons. First is Renu and second one is his father. Okay, means daughter and father. Now first, now suppose, let us suppose that Renu's present age is x. Okay, now see friends, this line, Renu's father age is twice as old as Renu. यानी Renu की उम्र जितनी है उसके father की उम्र उसके 3 गुनी है. So we have already considered as Renu's present age is x. Now the Renu's father's age is 3 multiplied by x by, because the twice of his Renu's age, 3 times of x means 3x. Okay, means Renu's father says 3x and Renu's age is x. Now the second statement says after 12 years he will be just twice his father, means he will be just twice his daughter, means his father. After 12 years old, his father means father will be just twice his. Now according to the question, now the after 12 years, first after 12 years Renu's age, the present age of Renu's x. After 12 is x plus 12, because the Renu's will increase by 12 after 12 years. This is why 12 is added to the present of Renu's. So Renu x plus 12. After 12 years, Renu's age is x plus 12 years. Similarly, Renu's father's age after 12 years 3x. The present is 3x. After 12 is 3x plus 12. Okay, now we will see here this and this, because this relation we are going to make the relation after 12 years. So we will have to look at this after 12 years age of the Renu's and Renu's father. Okay, now this says he will be just, means father will be just twice of Renu's age. Remember, twice of his daughter means Renu. Here the father is equal to twice of his daughter is. So 2 multiplied by the whole, so 2x, 2 multiplied by 12, this 24. This is as it is. Now 3x, have a look friends. Now here this is 3x 3x as it is. Now we will bring this 2x left hand side as a negative sign. Minus 2x is equal to 24 is as it is right hand side. Now this will bring plus 2 to the right hand side with the negative sign. Okay, this is 3x minus 2x x. This is 12, means 12 x is equal to 12 years. This is the first answer. And what about this answer? This answer x is Renu's age, because we considered as Renu's age is x. Now his father is Renu's father is equal to 3x. 3 multiplied by x is 12, so this is 36. Hence answer is 36 is Renu's father is and 12 is Renu's age. This is your answer. 36 years, 12 years. Okay, remember this is years. Okay, this is your answer. I hope you will understand. Friends, your homework is because all the questions are similar in the just previous and we have already discussed. Okay, and we have to solve and we have to complete test paper 7 and the question number 1 to 19. Okay, have a nice day.